Okay, make sure you can see me. We're in the purple room. This is Brogan on Braig. This is YouTube 101. Steve suggested that some people need a little upgrade on YouTube. You better sign the waiver because it might run long. Oh, wait. No, I got to pick up Steve soon for the Lions Club. Anyway, here's what you do. Well, let's just start. You got your phone. Do I have another phone? Yeah. Or your other phone. Which phone is this? Oh, God, 455. You open up your device and then you open it up and you find, I keep my YouTubes over here in a conveniently video posting. See that? Let me make sure that we're running on this thing. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. So, and there's YouTube, right? Come on. And you get a whole bunch of stuff here. And so here's what you can do. You want to see the music jam, right? Here I've made a little screen that you'll finally see. First Sunday music jam, yeah. You know, the example might have 6 views. It says 1 day ago. And then there's this little word, important, right here. More. Steve suggests that a lot of you haven't been tapping that. More, aren't you curious? Try it and let me show you what happens. Let's see. So here I am on YouTube. A whole bunch of suggestions. I don't care. Some, you know, whatever. But here's the search button, the search thing over here. And so then I'm going to try in our, first, right? And I did this before, so it populates down there. That's a technical term. First Sunday music, M-U-S-I. And you got to get it somewhat spelled right, but it doesn't matter. You hit search on that, and what happens? First Sunday, there's some kind of Lord things, but about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Here's Ellie. First music jam. Oh yeah, here's another one, and then it gets some other stuff and somebody else. And to get even more successful search, that was what if you add a First Sunday music jam? You see that? Let me put in jam, and search on that, and then I get Stephen Ridley. Oh, now look, here's from January. That looks like a picture of Steve and Dennis. Here's just the trailer, whole bunch of stuff. Now, what I want you to, so anyway, you see one you want. Here's the Tracy Exit song, okay, that I just kind of made. In fact, here's one. You'll notice here it says 23 views, and 1 day ago. That's a hint. It was put up onto YouTube. This is all in YouTube. It can be in your browser. I forgot about that. I am in my YouTube app, so I just hit that. You can go into your Chrome, Safari, what have, and go to YouTube. Hopefully, you can go to YouTube. Most of you are getting, when I send a message, like here's one to Megan, right? And I put the little link here, and it populates with, it so happens, that's a different issue, the thumbnail. But anyway, I put that on there right here, and in fact, anyone can then tap it. Uh-oh. Is it going to work? Yeah. It opens up, and you can make it bigger somehow. Let's skip that. Quiet. Okay. Anyway, so here we are back to, I told you, sign the waiver. YouTube 101. So here's my app. I'll open up YouTube, and I did the search on First Sunday Music Jam even. And it has a lot of stuff about the jam. You can also try, here's somebody else's jam. I don't know who that, free drumless tracks. Who know, lots of drums. Gasper Brewing, First Sunday Jam. Someone's stealing our name. Steve, call these guys. Call the lawyer. Anyway, hang on. You can see my name tag, Brogan on Braig. Take that off. Yeah, did I point out we're in the purple room? You can probably see that. Everything's purple. And maybe that's pink. I don't know. Oh, good. It's still going. Still looking at me, or not that you need to look at me. So anyway, you've done a search. Let me get calm. This is supposed to help you. First Sunday Music Jam in the search box of your YouTube affair, right? And up comes, where was that one with Ellie? Yeah, First Sunday Music Jam, February - Tracy. You'll notice, I'm always making the FIRST first with a small letter. I'm trying to keep the same format. That's what we've called it. How's my hair? Who cares? Yeah. Oh, anyway, so here's First Sunday Music Jam, February - Tracy exit song. She was about to leave. And this is where I wanted to point something out that Steve suggested I point out for YouTube 101. When you look at this list, now what? Well, I think you can tap here. I don't know. I usually just tap at the picture. It opens up. Let's put a stop to that for a moment. Up comes Rachel Maddow and some other who know. Oh, here's one with Casey's picture, the Ribs group. A whole lots of other stuff. You can ignore that, but sure enough, the video that you might want to listen to for Sunday Music Jam Tracy is right there. Look see, it says 222, 2 minutes, 22 seconds long. And then what else is the information there? Yeah, here's the views. Like I said, here one that had 6 views in a day ago and more. That's the important thing. That's the lesson for today. What is more? And, perhaps you have not been tapping that little button. And sure enough, see, here it is. Can I expand this? No, I cannot. I could take a screenshot, which is a lesson for another time. But anyway, sure enough, it says 20 views. Oh, cool. Somebody's been coming to the jam. Anyway, 1 day ago and more. Wait. There's one other thing. What's this Brogan? What is that? It's Borg 2222. Let me secretly do a screenshot that some of you know about and some of you don't. That's for next time. But sure enough, here's the that's my channel name, Borg, and 5 2s. 22222. I like the number 2. Hey, in fact, this video is 2:22 long. I was born 1122. Anyway, that's for next, backstory. So, and here's, 20 views. You see that all right? Take a look. Make notes if you like. Take a screenshot if you know how. And here's this word more. But this is just a screenshot of mine. I'm going to put done, and I think I'm going to delete that. But anyway, so this is ready to play. See, I can play this. It has nice music, and that's the whole point. But here, so there's some share and some other junk down here. Let's go right to the keyword more. What the heck is that? Let's tap it. More. Aren't you curious? Steve thinks nobody is tapping this. More. Look at that. There's some text here. Now I wrote the text. It's the description, in fact. Right, and here's what I say for this First Sunday Music Jam February Tracy exit song. We were lucky to enjoy Tracy sing, I can't speak English, a beautiful song just as she was going out the door. As I tried to say on the end credits, which who knows if people, end credits, many friends helped play and sing along. These are details that I want to share with people. It's not just Tracy, it's not, anyway. So that's where these details are mostly sitting there. Under the word more, it opens it up. Many friends helped to sing along, play and sing along. Hoping others in the group gathering will get me their footage. That's a separate video, YouTube 102 footage. So I can edit them with a different point of view. But see, these are I don't know if you guys have read this. There were some very nice music. I can't, Sunday. For me, Tracy, here's another word more. Look at that. It looks sort of the same. Well, are you curious? Let's tap that. for me, Tracy's was a highlight, which it was, and that's where I share my words. Signed Brogan on Braig, like my name tag, Whitefish, Montana, 2-2. Hey, 2-2. Wow, this is, anyway, 2025. I mean, seriously, I'm 2-2-2-2. The thing's 222 long, and it was on 2-2. See, that's I'm a twin, right? We were born 1-1-2-2. That's a different issue. But anyway, just a few iPhones and shaky tripods/hands. For me, this is my Sunday spirit. As usual, hopefully more to follow. Okay? So that's the little description under 2. And then notice one other little funny thing about this YouTube. You can X this out or just keep it there. It says comments 1. See that? There's a little digit 1 there, right? And what's that? Somebody may have commented. Let's hit that. And of course, it's me. It says very nice from Tracy at the last minute. Okay, 2:22 minutes, my favorite number again. I know, you're probably sick of that. So far, on all these, see now I minimize or put this down in the corner, and then you can make it go away. But here's some other ones, listed down. That's not me. Here's one of Donnie, mostly Donnie, a month ago, 35 views. Hey, here's one. Oh, here, this guy has 190 views, but that's not me. Anyway, what happened to Donnie? Let's open up Donnie here.
All right.
All right. I'm going to put a silence on that. No comments. It does have the word Morgan, and it says mostly Donnie, Whitefish, thanks Steve. And so far, the only person that's commented on any of my 40 or 50 videos is Dennis, high-tech Dennis, I call him, because he doesn't have an iPhone. I don't know how he works it, but he's on YouTube. He might have subscribed, but that's for the next lesson. This is just YouTube. So mainly it's on YouTube. Take a glance by opening up more to see what I've said about the video. Now, most of you probably stopped and hung up, or else you're on a little teeny phone like one of these to watch this, and I don't know how you stand that. I graduated to a larger size iPad and such thing. Recognize my face? No, it doesn't. Oh, it recognized me again. And of course, when you're watching YouTube, you can listen to the thing, and then you can enlarge it by going full screen. There's Tracy going, I gotta go. I try to put in these, now I'm getting off the subject. But anyway, it's mainly, you can, so make that big. You can do that on your phone also. And this little teeny square there. I mean, there's a lot of there's captions. That's a different subject. The title's always up there. First Sunday Music Jam, Tracy exit song. Borg 2222, 5 2s. Here's some. Oh, here's it's different. There's a like button. There's comment buttons. What happens when I put this comment? It's back to the only person that ever comments is myself, and high tech Dennis. Okay, I think that's probably enough. You're either gone now or not, and good luck. Live. I have a lot of first. Oh, look at this. There's somebody. Shady River. Oh, these are all the rest of my videos. And for that, you really got to sign the waiver. But here's Shady River Lane, Caroline, and Luminaria. Yeah, that was pretty cool with Maggie. She's in some of these pictures. And if you go way back, you're going to get into trouble. Sunday breakfast jams. Oh, yeah. That's my tortilla caught on fire. Okay, well, that's it for now. For we're Sunday, or what are we doing? YouTube 101. That's a big check on there. Yeah. We got that down. Take some notes. I'll send this via. I guess that's my M&Ms. Talk to you later from Braig, from the purple room. It's kind of echoey here, isn't it? Okay, it's time for Lions Club. Jeez, bye. Okay, got my shoes on? No, not really.